Mobile e-wallet services are the fastest growing form of digital payments in Singapore. Consultancy firm Deloitte says at the same time, payment providers are expanding their services through tie-ups with merchants.
Michelle Titio tells us more as part of the CNA Digital Economy Leadership Summit.
Increased services for users have encouraged the boom of digital payments. For 30-year-old Neng Yishi, it's made going out a lot easier.
It's brought about a lot of convenience for me because nowadays I go out, I don't even bring my wallet around. Okay, my credit cards are all stored in my phone as under the Apple Pay system. So I can pay for a cup of coffee, a cup of tea without even using cash at all.
Experts say mobile e-wallets are the fastest growing digital payment method amongst consumers today. And the biggest winners in the digital payment space would be those who build an ecosystem offering a suite of services.
For such players to be really to be able to compete effectively, I think they must have certain capabilities. So things like economies of scale, able to provide fun and differentiated products and services are important. For example, if you look at some of the ride-hailing apps, I think they have existing customer base. So that's an ecosystem, and if they then tie on with other ecosystems, so that's an existing ecosystem that they are working on.
To build on their payments ecosystem further, some digital payment providers who have already acquired millions of users are now shifting their focus to cater to the SME merchants on their platform.
2019 has been a year whereby we rolled out so many services and we're able to drive stickiness with our end consumers like you and me. But we also realized that merchants have a huge need to grow, and especially in this kind of more volatile and dynamic environment. There are basically three ways merchants want to grow. One, to grow from offline to online. Two, to basically expand their business. Third, to ensure that there's repeat footfall back to their stores.
So we have already partnered with financial institutions, banks, so that using the data from digital payments, we're now able to somehow convert that to a credit score that banks and FIs can now lend to small medium businesses.
But while these efforts can help providers gain market share, experts say the local market may be too small and there's a need to think beyond Singapore. Singapore is expected to be even more cashless in the near term, as authorities are ramping up efforts to reduce cash withdrawals from ATMs by the end of this year.